So this is my 2001 Carrera 4. I just bought it. It has 51,000 miles on the odometer. In recent years, it's only been driven maybe 1,000 or 2,000 miles a year. It's been well maintained, but because of the low mileage and the model year and everything I read on internet, I thought it would be the only smart thing to do was to change the IMS bearing before I even drive it. So here I am. I've just removed the IMS bearing. This is what it's looking like. Both seals seem fine. The oil that came out was clean, doesn't smell awful. There's no play in the bearing itself, in the stud. There's no grit, it turns smoothly. Everything feels really good. And this is after removing it from the car, which takes a considerable amount of force. So all in all, I think this bearing would have been fine for a long time still. Of course, I haven't opened it up, but just by looking at it, you really get the sense that there's nothing wrong with it. Nonetheless, I'm happy to change it. I'm happy that there are aftermarket parts available for peace of mind, to know that I don't have to worry about it for a very long time. But it does seem like a lot of trouble and a lot of expense to change something that was, in all appearances, absolutely fine. Since you're doing the IMS change, you go ahead and change the clutch, and that adds a lot of cost. So, big job, and just kind of feeling like it wasn't worth it, like it was not necessary, and I probably could have gone another, 50,000 miles before worrying about it. But at least now I get to enjoy the car without any worries. So, I'm glad I'm doing it.